Hello, we're gonna download MiEdit. I'm gonna go into my directory bin, move from downloads, put it here, unpack it, java -jar, an ampersand so runs in the background, creating a new machine. We're not gonna use open, but I'm gonna use new and choose a directory. The directory I'm gonna choose is in documents. And here I put the name of the machine. We start in the state initial. First thing I'm going to do is put the includes that is recommended and save. Similarly for the variables, one variable at a time, the type, and in here we're going to copy the variable and we don't use any semicolons. I recommend that you save after each variable. Now we're going to put the content of the initial state in the onEntry section. I recommend whenever possible, save your machine. We need another state called publish and another state called end. So let's start by creating the state publish. Go to states, you add. Now you see we're in the state publish. We put the content of this type publish. You can save the state individually or save the entire machine. We're going to do also the wait and count state right away. So we go to state, add, and its content is just incrementing the variable count. Finally, the last state is the state end. You can see the list of states here. 4 states coincides with the 4 states that are here. We're going to add transitions. Every state is going to have as its first transition a transition to end with a test whether the middleware of ROS is functioning. We can move to the state initial. Systematically, we always save. We say transition add or to end. We override what is here. Save the state. Go to the state publish. We save the state anyways again. Publish. We add a transition also to end. Also with the same test. If I want to change state, it reminds me to always save the previous state. We add a transition from wait and count to end. So we have now all the transitions to end. So if anything goes wrong, these transitions are the first to be tested. The second transition here that goes from initial to publish is after 1,000 milliseconds. Let's go to the state initial and we're gonna add a transition this time to publish and we're gonna say after this many milliseconds. We've done this transition out of publish. We go to wait and count, wait 500 milliseconds. Now we go to publish, add a transition from publish to wait and count. It's not going to be 1,000, but 500. We want to go also back from wait and count. We add a transition to publish. We have completed the machine.